We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive expert overview of the Hulongo Large Waterproof Insulated Cooler Backpack for men and women. This cooler backpack is designed for camping, beach outings, fishing, picnics, travel, and other outdoor activities, boasting a 30-liter capacity that can hold up to 48 cans. It features thickened 8mm foam insulation combined with an advanced silver PIVA seal to keep beverages and food cold for up to 12 hours. The bag is made from high-density scratch-resistant nylon with a PU coating, making it fully waterproof and easy to clean. It has multiple compartments including 2 insulated sections, a large front pocket, and 2 side pockets for organizing snacks, phones, wallets, and other accessories. The cooler is leak-proof thanks to a high-tech seamless hot pressing process and is designed to be sweat-free. The dimensions are 17.7 by 12.2 by 7.9 inches, offering ample space for meals and tall beverages. The backpack is lightweight, portable, foldable, and comes with padded straps for comfort. Users consistently praise the backpack for its sturdy build and thoughtful design. Many appreciate the numerous pockets which make organizing items simple and the roomy interior which holds plenty of food and drinks for a full day outdoors. It reliably keeps contents cold for 8 to 10 hours, with some users reporting even longer cooling times when using frozen water bottles instead of ice. The insulation quality is often highlighted as excellent, and the waterproof exterior prevents leaks and condensation from soaking through. After extended use at beaches, lakes, and on road trips, the zippers remain durable and the bag shows no signs of wear. The lightweight design and padded straps make it comfortable to carry even when fully loaded. Some users note the backpack is easier to carry than traditional coolers, especially for activities requiring mobility like hiking or walking from the car to a picnic spot. The chest strap, once adjusted, adds to the comfort and stability of the bag on the back. The bag's versatility is also praised. It can be used as a lunch bag for sports events, or simply to keep drinks cold in the car trunk during errands. The exterior is easy to clean, and the thick insulation inside wipes down without difficulty. While the majority of reviews are positive, a few users report leakage issues, particularly around the zipper after extended use or heavy packing. This appears to be a minority experience, but is worth noting. Some wish the bag included a drainage plug to release water without tipping the bag. The side handles are considered less comfortable compared to the back handle, especially when the bag is full. The bag can be heavy when fully loaded, which may not suit all users for long hikes. Overall, the Hulongo Cooler Backpack is regarded as an excellent value for the price. It combines functionality, reliability, and durability in a stylish, well-constructed package. It is highly recommended for anyone who wants a portable, effective cooler solution without the bulk and inconvenience of traditional ice chests. This backpack cooler is ideal for single-trip outings where carrying convenience and insulation performance are priorities. If you have this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for interested viewers.